Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Brie. I talk about all things vegan and cruelty-free beauty, and sometimes I get the Eyescream Beauty Box. If you're interested in subscription unboxings, spoilers, as well as vegan and cruelty-free content, I would like subscribe. I'm all about treating ourselves as well as self-care for working people, moms, ladies, whoever, whatever is interested in beauty. So I show myself self-care. So I got the bag this month. I thought it was better than the box. I don't subscribe monthly, but it just depends if I'm interested in something. But I got, let's see, this came in from Ace Beauty. This lipstick is shade Gratitude. Kind of feels weighted, and I thought it was magnetic, but it's not. It's like this brownish kind of red shade. I haven't decided if I'm going to use it yet. I wish it was magnetic, but I got it. It's kind of extra for packaging. And then this is the only item I think I'm not, well, I don't know. This is from Starstruck. It's a liquid glitter, and it's in the shade, this is 26302. I'm not going to use this. I'm going to give it to my little sister who's 14. Sugar Drizzle. I've never tried anything from Sugar Drizzle. You could pick, they did have choice. Sometimes they have that. You can choose from like a couple different palettes. But this is the, I don't know if this is exclusive to the box or not, but this is On Top of the Mountain and Beneath the Stars. My kids are sleeping over there. But it's like a like a colorful kind of like, I don't know, it's texture. But this is, they're all duochromes, and like, I don't know if I'm gonna use it. I thought it was eyeshadows, but it's not. And then from Gourmande Girls, which I do have a code with them. I don't know if this is exclusive. I don't think so. I thought this was a different palette. But anyway, this is the Gourmande's palette. I do have a code. It's Brie10 to get 10% off at Gourmande Girls. But yeah, it looks really pretty. That is all I got. So let me know if you subscribe to Eyescream Beauty Box, if you like subscription box unboxings and spoilers. I will be choosing Fabfitfun in a couple of days. If you haven't seen my spoilers video, I already posted that. It's choice for annual members. For seasonal members, it's coming up. If you want to watch that video and see the spoilers, even if you aren't a Fabfitfun member. But yeah, as always, stay safe, healthy, and always just makes you happy. And take care of yourself, because you need to take care of yourself first before you can take care of others. Hope to see you next video.